Hi friends, Ryan here with Ryan's Candles and Crafts, and welcome to today's review. As you can see in the title, I went ahead and I'm going to be doing a review of the Michaels Make Market Diamond Art Toolkit that you can get either in-store or online for $22.99, I believe. Yep, that's what it is, $22.99. And did my first kit up. I did some diamond art painting the other day, and that video here will be coming soon, or if you're watching this and the video has come out, then, you know, it'll be up in the little, probably over here somewhere, in the little corner for that video. I learned a lot when it came to, one, my first time doing this, and two, the first time using this toolkit. The reviews online, there's 40 of them, and it's 4.7 stars. I'm going to go through the whole thing, and then I will give my star rating here at the end. This is going to be interesting. It's going to be interesting. So let's take a look at it on the website first. So here we have the Diamond Art Toolkit by Make Market. This is Michael's brand of it's their signature brand, right? It's anything Make Market is done by Michael's. We're the only place you can get it at. Like I said, it's got 4.7 stars, 40 reviews when it comes to this product. You can get it in store. You can get it delivered. Yeah, that's what you can do with it. I unfortunately didn't have any percentage off or anything like that. Kind of wish I would have. I'm going to be honest, I'm not a big fan of this. And here's a couple reasons why. It's a great kit in the sense for beginners, yes. So everything that you get with this kit, let me scroll down a little bit and we'll read through this. You get one toolbox, 54 gem storage bottles, 20 resealable bags, 6 wax replacements, 3 craft trays of different sizes, 1 silicone funnel, 1 brush, 2 clips, 1 set of tweezers, 5 styluses, 3 replacement stylus heads, 1 correction drill stylus head, 1 gem aligning tool, 5 stylus grip covers, 1 non-slip mat, and 1 sheet of label stickers. That is a lot. That is a lot of stuff for this price. It's not bad, honestly. For price comparison to everything that you get, it's really good. Everything else that I've been searching for online, it's kind of pricey. So this is actually a pretty good deal, and especially for a beginner. One of my favorite things that it comes with, let me go to, so let's do this. So this is what it looks like when it's opened. So you can kind of see how everything is laid out and everything that it says that it comes with. And here is everything that it states that it comes with. So there's the funnel, the bags, can't remember exactly what this thing is. 2 clips, okay? The wax, the non-slip thing, the straightener tool is actually really, really helpful. I've been using that a little bit myself. The sticker sheets, the trays, the pens, all that kind of stuff, and then of course all the bottles and everything. I'm going to show you how I've got mine set up, and this is kind of where like this part of the design kind of falters a little because the back ones are kind of hard to get to. So that's kind of where I struggle with this, and where I struggled with it when I went to do the kit up process and everything. So let's take a look at how I've got this set up. All right, I'm going to try and keep this back here a little bit, but as you can see, we've got our rows of diamonds here in the front, and then there are some back there in the back, and that's what I'm struggling with. Like if I have to reach back here and get one, I actually have to take all of this stuff out up front here first before I can get back here. So it's a little challenging to get back there to get to that back stuff. Other than that, this is a very compact toolkit, and I really like it. I've got the drills that I'm working with just kind of lined up here as well. I kind of was like, okay, well, how can I organize this in a way for me to make this feasible and easy to get to this stuff. So I've got that. Now, unfortunately, don't look at my organization, but this is not in any type of order right now, and it's really bugging me, and I'm sure it's bugging you too. But I've got to get these in order too. But we have all of our little extra things that are up here. The brush actually came in really handy when it came to the kitting up and getting stuff out of the trays and everything. That was really nice. The straightening tool is absolutely fantastic. Do not recommend using this funnel. It is very staticky. I still haven't been able to get the static out of it, even with the dryer sheets. So there's that. A lot of styluses. It's my little extra stuff. And then down here, I've got my trays. Don't recommend these at all because as you can see, this one has no spout on it at all. And then this one, I just made a mess trying to put what I used in here away. So not a fan of that. I would just prefer using Diamond Art Clubs that they send with their kits. So I'll keep those handy for sure. These are probably going in the trash, to be honest. The stickers are okay, but probably not going to use those. This non-slip mat that's under here, this is actually going to come in really, really handy. As I was going through working, doing the first diamond art, I noticed that my tray was slipping a lot. So yeah, there's that. And then the bags that come with it, the wax and the clips, all that fun stuff. All right, sorry, I did miss a tray. There is this one that looks like this. You can kind of see, you know, it's got the little spout on it. It's okay. But they're flimsy. They're not very sturdy. But again, first view opinion, just starting out and everything, but I still think that there's something a little bit better that you can probably do. I know on Amazon there's Art Dot, there's a lot of different things out there. Even on Temu, I think I have seen a bunch of different things as well. So let me know in the comments below, what have you used? What works best for you when it comes to diamond art painting? Are you using just what you receive from the suppliers in your kits? You know, from either it be Make Market, Diamond Art Club, Dreamer Design, all of the others that are out there. What is it that you're using on a day-to-day to be able to make sure you stay organized with Diamond Art Club? Again, put it in the comment section down below. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to get notified on when I upload videos. Final thoughts and reviews when it comes to this kit. For what you get, and the price of it actually helps elevate the stars, in my opinion. Everything that comes together with it, yes, there are some things that are a little off. Oh, the tweezers aren't that great either, just FYI. But they work. It's fine. So overall, I give it 4 stars. I lean more towards 4. It's more like 3.5 because of the reachability of some of the things and a couple of the trays, but overall, I'd say 4 stars. 5 stars is a big stretch for me, at least anyway. I'm very picky. I've been told I'm a little bougie, but that's kind of how I am. Sorry. But again, not going to knock this, especially if you're on a budget, right? If you're on a budget, you need something easy to be able to store all of your stuff in. This is perfect. This is absolutely perfect for you. But again, I say 4 stars. I do recommend for a beginner, someone who's more advanced, you're not going to want this. You're going to want something completely different. I totally understand that. Hopefully, as we go through our journey, we can start to look to see what other things can we start getting and how do we scale up when we're working on diamond art painting. Thanks for watching, everyone. Now let's light a candle, pour a cup of coffee, and let's get crafting.